In today's video, I want to show you guys in just 1 minute on how to convert a Word file to a PDF file. All you simply have to do is to head to the site named ilovepdf.com. And now once you head to the site ilovepdf.com, you simply want to head here to where you have convert PDF, and now you want to come here to Word to PDF. Now once you come here, all you have to do is to click on select Word files, and then all you have to do next is to simply select the Word document file you want to convert. And now all you have to do finally is to simply click on convert to PDF. And as you can see, it's already converting it to PDF, and all you have to do next is to simply download the PDF. And that's simply how you can convert a Word file to a PDF file. So as you guys can see, this is the PDF file of the Word document. So thanks guys for watching. If you surely learned a whole lot in today's video, make sure to subscribe so as to support the channel. Feel free to drop a like on the video and also share with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next highly informative video.